Hello guys, after a long time making a video. So GET 2023 application deadline registration is coming soon. It is on 30th of September, so that is why I was thinking of making a video, and here it is. I have not made any video on GET 2023, so this is the first video on GET 2023. So this time this GET exam, GET 2023, is organized by Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, and this version of notification has been updated on 6th September 2022. Okay, so let me just briefly tell you some of the important things. I will not explain everything, I will just tell you something important. So you see, GET 2023 highlights of GET 2023. The exams will be on Saturdays 4th, Sunday 5th, Saturday 11th and Sunday 12th February 2023. दो सेशंस होंगे, फोरनून एंड आफ्टरनून सेशंस, एंड दिस विल बी कम्प्लीटली CBT मोड, कंप्यूटर बेस्ड मोड, एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट पेपर्स 29 है. So as we deal with physics subjects, we will talk about physics. So for physics, this will be the overall scheme. Duration will be 3 hours. Number of papers 29 जो है सब subjects को मिला के. So you will have general aptitude and physics section. In physics section, so 3 types of questions will be coming: MCQ type, MSQ type, multi select questions, और NAT type. तीनों टाइप्स क्वेश्चन आएंगे. और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, PH फिजिक्स के लिए आपका है 15 मार्क्स की जनरल एप्टीट्यूड, 85 मार्क्स की आपका सब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड, टोटल 100 मार्क्स होगा. और 1 मार्क 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन होंगे. अगर नेगेटिव मार्किंग 1/3 नेगेटिव मार्किंग होगा, 2 मार्क्स के लिए 2/3. ठीक है, नेगेटिव मार्किंग बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं गेट एग्ज़ाम में. इसके अलावा और ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं बोलने के लिए. जैसे कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट्स डेट को देख लेते हैं जो आपको जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इफ़ यू आर वेटिंग फॉर द लास्ट डेट, आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू अप्लाई फॉर इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज only few days are left, and at the last moment there may be some technical difficulties and all, and you may require to pay some extra money if you are doing it beyond the date. So here some important dates regarding the GET 2023 exam given. Online application has started from 30th of August, and regular online registration that will be closed by Friday 30th September 2022. Extended date जो है 7th October, but you have to pay some extra late fee. So it is better if you just fill it up by 30th of September. That will be good for you. And other details are there, like you can change your category, paper, exams, etc. After this, I will be just take you through the syllabus of GET 2023. So you know that GET 2023 syllabus is quite different from the csir-net exam. So you need to look at the GET 2023 syllabus, because the syllabus has been a little bit changed last time. This time it is not changed, but still you should look for the syllabus. Okay, so let's look at the syllabus of physics. So you can see it starts with mathematical physics. It has vector calculus, linear vector spaces, basis, orthogonality, differential equation is there, complex analysis, Fourier analysis, Laplace transform, tensors, covariant and quantavariant. So these are conventional, which are already there. Classical mechanics, D'Alembert's principle, Euler-Lagrange equation, Hamilton's principle, Rutherford scattering. So इसमें नया क्या है? देखो, हैमिल्टन इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन है, तो पहले ऐसा हैमिल्टन जैकब इक्वेशन नेट पे था, अभी गेट पे भी आ गया. एक्शन एंगल वेरिएबल, दीज आर न्यू थिंग्स. देन स्पेशल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी, EMT में ज़्यादा कुछ नया नहीं है. Quantum mechanics is as usual, but some advanced topic like variational method, W cube approximation, these have been added. Time independent particle synthesis was there. Symmetries, thermodynamics, इसमें भी ज़्यादा कुछ ऐड नहीं किया गया है. Atomic molecular भी लगभग सेम ही है. What about the next one? Solid state physics. Here the maximum modification have been done. Elements of crystallography, diffraction method, structure determination, bonding in solids, former conic relation, inter-band emissions, सुपर कंडक्टर्स तो ऑलरेडी था ही, कुछ कुछ चीज़ें यहाँ पे बीच में ऐड किया गया है, मतलब इट हैज़ बीन मेंशन्ड एक्सप्लिसिटली इन द सिलेबस। सेमीकंडक्टर्स इन इक्विलिब्रियम, AYD DY कन्वर्शन, इट्स फ्लिप फ्लॉप, टाइमर्स, काउंटर्स, रजिस्टर। तो लगभग ज़्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं किया गया है, बट it has been increased than the previous syllabus, nuclear and particle. So in this way you can just follow this GATE syllabus and you can prepare. So this was just a reminder video for those who have not filled the GATE application form till now. So fill it up quickly as soon as possible, and this is all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next. Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like csir-net, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for csir-net Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of csir-net Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code PhysicsHub, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.